And with me is Usiyanda Ndlovu, aka Uskwishi, abamazi kahle ngakubo bambiza ngoqobe. So, Squishy, you played a remarkable game against the Kaizer Chiefs in Joburg. It's unfortunate that some results were what they were, right? And we've been seeing a lot of you, and we're here for it. So, right? Starting off, what's the biggest issue when I face that game?
Ngicabanga ukuthi indlela esadlala ngayo first half akuyona indlela ucoach ayithe sidlale ngayo so iyona yenze ngathi game yethu ayifunctioni kahle first half yonke but second half sesibuye sidlala kule ndlela esidlala ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi kwaba ngcono kakhulu wasekudlalesa sikhona no create ama chance.
I mean, mawudlala ne team enkulu engathi iKaizer Chiefs, there's a lot of spectators. Kunabantu abaningi abagcwele ku stadium. How do you manage to focus on the game uthathe lokhu coach akushilo despite what the audience is saying?
Game efana naleya ifuna ibe semqondweni nakho because ucoach ngeke umuze if udlala phakathi ama-fans maningi. Kumele wazi ukuthi ucoach uthe akwenzakaleni kube emqondweni nakho kube wena wazi ukubona ama-moment ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay, we've also seen that you've had your best moments. How did you think of that? That decision?
As number 10, when I play creative, ube nendlela ukudlula abantu. Dribble into game kahlahla ngaphakathi. So la situation wajwayele and ngiyawazi ngohandlisha kanjani if idlala game.
Okay, and then you had your moments as well, where you tried to score la Shaiban kwathini ke lapho, and it was towards the end of the game. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwayithini ke ingqondo yakhe ngaleso sikhathi.
Bana ngaphathi kakhulu because after lo umsebenzi ongaka ngase ngiwenzile lapha kwase kumele ngifinishe lapha. And ngicabanga ukuthi igoli ngasibuyisa egamini la sikwazi ugcina siwina igame yabo. So ukugejalela goli la ungiphathanga kahle. But ngakwenza konke kwaba bad luck nje lapha.
Okay, so this is Squishy. Let us know if you want more from Squishy and what you would like to know from him. Danko.